Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will explain how you can change the country of search in different browsers such as Google Chrome or Bing. Chapter 1. How to change search country on PC Google Chrome. To start, we will use one of the best-known browsers, Google Chrome. We start by opening Chrome. Once it is open at the top, you click on the plus sign to open a new tab. In the search box of the new window, you will enter the word of what you want to search for in Google. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard to display the results. At the top, you can see a gear icon called Quick Settings above the search settings. Click on L and then click on the Advanced Search option to configure our browser. You will find with different options to use. At the top, you can see the word you searched for. To change the country, you must scroll down a bit and then click on the Region field. Simply select the country you want, and once you do, you will click on Advanced Search so that Chrome performs the search again, but this time only for that country. Chapter 2. How to change the search country on Microsoft Bing PC. Microsoft Bing also offers the option to change the country to a specific country if you need to. The first thing will be to open Microsoft Edge and go to the Bing website to perform this process. Once there, click on the search box and do the following. First, enter the word you want to search for, then write the word lock, and finally, put the abbreviation of the country to use. For example, for Spain it will be S, or for the United States you enter US. When you have entered this, you can press the Enter key or click on the magnifying glass icon so that the search is focused on that location. Now, if you want to configure the Bing region in general, you are going to click on the back arrow. Click on the Bing menu called Settings and Quick Links so that in the options it shows you can click on Settings. Click on Settings, and then you must click on Country or Region so that you can make the change as you want. Once this window is opened, simply click on the desired country to make it the new region in Bing, and it will be used for your future searches there. Chapter 3. How to change search country on PC DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is another browser that allows you to configure the country of search. To use it, go to its official website from any browser you have. Once you have access to the browser, you will simply click on the search box to enter the desired word. After this, you will click on the magnifying glass icon to show the results. To define the country you want to search, you must click on the upper left corner where a button appears. Here you just have to select the country you want and click on it. DuckDuckGo will automatically update the results to that country. Chapter 4. How to change search country on PC Yahoo. Now let's see how we can change the country in Yahoo browser. To do this, we are going to open a browser and go to the official Yahoo. On this main page, we will look for the option of More. Here, we will click on the Choose Your Country option. Now you only have to select one of the available countries, although remember that Yahoo does not have all the countries to use. After you choose a country, Yahoo will update your browser and results to that region you selected. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. How to change the search country in PC Brave. In the Brave browser, we can also change the search country. To do this, we will go to the official website of Brave from any browser. Then do any searches. Once you see the results, you will go to the upper left corner and there you must click on All Regions. Then you will see a list of countries where you can choose the one you want. Clicking on one of them automatically, the browser will update the results. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.